Subscribe for daily quizzes and let me know how many you got correct today. Here's some chess strategies trivia. Which tactic involves creating two threats? Is it A, double attack, B, nice opening, C, pinning move, or D, fork? The correct answer is fork. What is the strategy of controlling the center called? Is it A, foundation, B, expansion, C, domination, or decentralization? The correct answer is D, centralization. Which term describes an unprotected piece? Is it A, exposed token, B, free piece, C, hanging piece, or D, vulnerable spot? The correct answer is C, hanging piece. What piece can be promoted upon reaching the 8th rank? Is it A, pawn, B, bishop, C, rook, or D, knight? The correct answer is A, pawn. Which opening begins with 1 Porto 5? Is it A, London system, B, King's Indian, C, Queen's Gambit, or D, Lopez? The correct answer is C, Queen's Gambit. What strategy involves limiting the opponent's options? Is it A, control, B, diversion, C, expansion, or D, restriction? The correct answer is D, restriction. Which tactic is a direct attack on the king? Is it A, checkmate, B, stalemate, C, check, or D, pawn promotion? The correct answer is C, check. What is the tactic of moving a piece to a better square called? Is it A, positioning, B, maneuvering, C, improvement, or D, optimization? The correct answer is C, improvement. Which famous opening begins with 1 E4, E5? Is it A, Queen's Gambit, B, Perk defense, C, open game, or D, closed game? The correct answer is C, open game. Which principle advises bishops and knights to stay active? Is it A, bishop's path, B, knight's leap, C, piece mobility, or D, piece activity? The correct answer is D, piece activity. Which tactic involves trapping a piece with no escape? Is it A, fork, B, skewer, C, pin, or D, discard? The correct answer is B, skewer. What is a checked king required to do? Is it A, capture another king, B, flip the board, C, forfeit the game, or D, escape? The correct answer is D, escape. What is a move that improves position without immediate gain? Is it A, waiting move, B, checkmate opportunity, C, gambit move, or D, fork threat? The correct answer is A, waiting move. What is the strategy of using pieces collectively? Is it A, isolation, B, competition, C, collaboration, or D, coordination? The correct answer is D, coordination. Which setup characterizes the Rue Lopez? Is it A, Scandinavian defense, B, Spanish opening, C, Queen's Gambit, or D, Italian opening? The correct answer is B, Spanish opening. What do you call an intentional exchange of pieces? Is it A, trade, B, barter, C, exchange rate, or D, swap? The correct answer is A, trade. What do you call a position where one side is losing? Is it A, defeated status, B, lost position, C, failing side, or D, weak stance? The correct answer is B, lost position. Which opening has a symmetrical pawn structure? Is it A, Sicilian defense, B, King's Gambit, C, French defense, or D, English opening? The correct answer is D, English opening. What tactic involves distracting the opponent's defense? Is it A, fake pass, B, decoy, C, zone defense, or D, screenplay? The correct answer is B, decoy. Which move attacks two pieces simultaneously? Is it A, fork attack, B, knight's gambit, C, double attack, or D, triple threat? The correct answer is C, double attack. What do you call a piece's ability to control squares? Is it A, power level, B, area coverage, C, square control, or D, influence? The correct answer is D, influence. What strategy involves exchanging minor pieces for pawns? Is it A, minor piece exchange, B, rook endgame, C, piece sacrifice, or D, pawn promotion? The correct answer is A, minor piece exchange. Which tactic is characterized by creating a pin? Is it A, fork, B, check, C, skewer, or D, pin? The correct answer is D, pin. Which term describes a piece blocking the opponent's advance? Is it A, offensive piece, B, escape route, C, defensive block, or D, restricting piece? The correct answer is D, restricting piece. Which chess tactic is employed by exposing a threat? Is it A, skewer, B, discovered attack, C, fork, or D, pin? The correct answer is B, discovered attack. What is focusing attacks on the weakest side called? Is it A, weakness exploit, B, weak spot strategy, C, target weakness, or D, vulnerability tactics? The correct answer is C, target weakness. Which move sequence leads to immediate loss? Is it A, checkmate sequence, B, draw by stalemate, C, pawn promotion, or D, blunder? The correct answer is D, blunder. What is the act of repositioning pieces for better flow? Is it A, revamping, B, restructuring, C, reorganization, or D, renovation? The correct answer is C, reorganization. What strategy is meant to maximize potential at the board center? Is it A, corner strategy, B, centering, C, edge control, or D, aggressive play? The correct answer is B, centering. How do you refer to a piece offering protection to another? Is it A, coverage, B, shielding, C, support, or D, defense? The correct answer is C, support. What strategy reflects immediate calculations of threats? Is it A, risk assessment, B, strategic planning, C, tactical calculation, or D, long-term vision? The correct answer is C, tactical calculation. Which tactic is often used to prevent back rank mate? Is it A, block piece, B, check the king, C, move pawns forward, or D, lift? The correct answer is D, lift. What describes a situation where a player is losing tempo? Is it A, stalemate, B, game over, C, tempo loss, or D, checkmate? The correct answer is C, tempo loss. What strategy involves looking for a favorable trade? Is it A, strategic exchange, B, cost-benefit analysis, C, risk assessment, or D, barter system? The correct answer is A, strategic exchange. In positional play, what means renouncing material for the initiative? Is it A, active play, B, passive play, C, defensive strategy, or D, material sacrifice? The correct answer is A, active play. What is another term for controlling key squares? Is it A, tactical maneuvering, B, square control, C, position strategy, or D, space occupation? The correct answer is B, square control. Which defensive move reacts to an opponent's attack? Is it A, counter, B, dodge, C, parry, or D, block? The correct answer is C, parry. What strategy embodies planning several moves ahead? Is it A, short-term goals, B, reactive strategy, C, instant gratification, or D, long-range planning? The correct answer is D, long-range planning. What involves a deliberate trade-off of minor pieces? Is it A, pawn sacrifice, B, minor exchange, C, chess endgame, or D, strategic sacrifice? The correct answer is B, minor exchange. Thanks for watching. Comment with how many questions you got correct. Should we make the next video have easier or harder problems? Was the difficulty just right? Do you have suggestions for future trivia topics? Don't forget to drop a like and sub if you enjoyed the video.